Hello Broncos, I'm Hannah. I'm the Executive Catering Sous Chef here at Boise State University. With 15 years of experience in the restaurant industry, I'm excited to bring my passion for food to your campus dining experience. I'm thrilled to be part of the Bronco family and look forward to creating meals to make your time here even more enjoyable. Today I'm going to teach you how to make General Tso chicken with rice and broccoli.
Before we start cooking this recipe, there are a few food safety points we need to cover. First, ensure your workspace is clean. Before anything else, clear any clutter from the counter and thoroughly clean and sanitize your area. This will ensure you're working in a safe environment. The second thing I encourage you to get is a food thermometer. When cooking ground beef or proteins in general, using a thermometer is crucial. Temperature management is essential for safely preparing meat to ensure it's safe to eat. Before using the thermometer, make sure the probe is clean and sanitized. You do that by washing it with hot water and soap. Insert the probe into the food being measured and wait for the temperature to stabilize.
So first we're going to start out by putting our broccoli in a microwave-safe bowl, and with the broccoli we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to cook this in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and that's just going to get the broccoli nice and steamy. Alright, so now we're going to add the broccoli to the microwave, and we're going to cook it for about 2 minutes or until the broccoli is soft. Alright, so take your broccoli out, and be careful because it might be hot. Today's look at the fingers. Okay. Next we're going to take the contents from bag number 2, which is our rice, and we're going to add it to another microwave-safe bowl, and we're going to heat it for about 30 seconds or until that's hot as well. Okay, once your rice is done, just want to pull it out, but be sure to check to see if the bowl is hot first, because you don't want to burn your fingers. Okay, so now you want to just plate your rice and your broccoli. So just put it onto a bowl or onto a plate, and then add your broccoli to the plate. All right, so we're going to put the pan on the stove and we're going to turn the heat to medium. And we're just going to let that heat up a little bit before we add our veggies. But we're going to do a tablespoon of oil into the pan. Kind of stir that around. And then once the pan is hot, we're going to carefully add the ingredients of bag number 3, the veggies, into the pan. Give that a little stir. So we want the veggies to sit for about 30 seconds and just stir it around with your spatula so they get a little bit cooked. Okay, we just want to stir the veggies around so they don't burn. Next you want to grab your bag 4, your chicken, and you want to add that to the hot pan with the veggies. You just want to carefully drop it in there so it doesn't splatter. And give that a quick little stir. So you want to occasionally stir your chicken around, and you want to cook that till it's hot, about 2 minutes. So you just want to make sure your chicken is safe to eat. When the temperature reaches 165 degrees, then you're good to go. All right, and if your pan is getting a little too hot, but your chicken isn't hot yet, just add a little water to the pan and give that a stir. All right, so once your chicken is hot and your veggies are soft, we can add the contents of bag number 5 into your pan. All right, so give this a nice mix until the sauce is hot and everything is nicely coated. And once it's hot, just turn off the heat. All right, so once you've been cooking your sauce with your chicken and veggies for a minute, just check the temperature again. And once your thermometer has reached 165 or higher, then it's time to eat. So there you have it, General Tso chicken with rice and broccoli. Enjoy!